to stay to your mistress, huh? Why is it? Where did she live? Camera.
Oh no!
I love you. Nag-ano kami ng matanda, guys. Nagsagutan ba? Hi guys, good morning guys. How are you doing? Focus on me guys. Anyway, good morning. I just been driving to come here. I'm already in the other house. So, bago lang ako, wala si Tami dito guys. So, si Tami andun siya sa trabaho niya. Aga 4 o'clock in the morning, nagtrabaho na siya. At saka sabi niya, maaga daw siya ngayon. Maybe 50 minutes more to go, he will be out, but we don't know really. So anyway, so I'm gonna go see you inside. Hold on. Okay, shut the car off. What do I need to bring here to take? Oh, I need my lapati. I need my lapati. I'm gonna break my freaking arm with this thing. Anyway guys, I will see you inside the house because oh yeah, it's raining, so I will see you inside the house. Okay, bye. Weird, I'm here but no husband. Husband is not here. Sabi pa niya pagkatapos daw niyang pagkatapos daw niya doon sa trabaho, punta na siya agad doon sa isang bahay in our house, but I'm not sure guys if he's able to drive that far from the city to there. That means 2 hours plus traffic in the city. It's gonna be crazy. So anyway, I'm going to edit the video today and reply some comments from you guys from yesterday's video. And so yun ang gagawin ko guys. So I'm really mad to Misty this morning because we're ready to go, and the traffic guys is crazy coming here. So we were ready to come here, and then so Misty doesn't wanna go out this way or in the sliding door. Matigas yung ulo ba. Saka kahit gusto na niyang magpupo, magpipi, ayaw pa rin. Ayaw lumabas. No, napagalitan ko bagay ko umulis. Pero pagkatapos namang nagpupo, nagwiwi, sabi ko, yun ang good girl, ha? Yun ang good girl. Binigyan ko ng treats. Kasi, para malaman niya. Nagutom, guys, after almost 2 hours of editing. Nagutom ako. So, yung kakainin ko is 2 omelette and 2 eggs. Ganyan ako kagutom. Nagutom ako almost 11 na. Sarap ng egg pag runny yung nasa loob. Hi guys, wala pa rin yun si Tami. Si Tami andun pa rin sa trabaho. Sabi niya uwi daw siya. He'll get out there earlier. But wala pa din. Nalungkot lang ako kasi sabi niya he's only stay there for 4 hours. Pero ano na 12 something na. Super bored na ako dito. Super bored. Manonood na lang ako ng The Bold and the Beautiful. Yun na lang yung panoorin ko, guys. Okay, yung mother-in-law ko, she just called and she said she's done. So, I'm going to pick her up. And then yung asawa ko, hindi pa din tumawa, guys. So, andun pa rin sa trabaho. So, anyway, dyan ka muna, guys. Dyan ka muna. Bye, guys. Bye. I'm gonna go, guys. I'm going. Hinihintay ko na lang si Tami. Andito na si Tamimi. Tamimi is here. The Tamimi is here. Look at him. Tamimi is here. Why it takes too long for you to stay to your mistress, huh? Why is it? Huh? You said it's 10 o'clock only and now you extra time with her, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
Why you did that?
Good question. Why did I do that?
Where did she live?
Don't let me forget I got gas on the way out of here.
No, because no, I'm gonna use the car, huh? Nandito si Tami, guys. I decided to, I told him na, ano lang, we're gonna drive the same car I'm going to drive because he's so tired. More pillows?
That's for me on the way. We are on the way.
Nothing for me?
Ooh.
No, it's leaving for me. So he's here, and so because he's so tired, I told him I don't want you to drive. You're so freaking tired. So I will bring you guys here tomorrow, late night, not late night, you know, night. and then I will drop you guys here. So that's the plan. Natutulog yung dalawa guys. Yung biyanan ko. The camera. Oh no! Natutulog si Tami. Tami's asleep. I'm talking, the camera is on.
Oh, you're so good.
Yeah. And it's raining guys. Ulan. Grabe yung langit to. It's really dark. So, it's going to pour. It's not pouring yet, but the cloud is like charcoal dark.
Yeah.
And Tommy's in the back snoring. So you guys can hear him snoring.
I don't.
You can't hear him? It's loud.
It amazes me how fast they fall.
Because he's tired. He
Yeah,
doesn't
you
have
know.
enough sleep last night. I think it's only 2 hours sleep.
Yeah.
So need to sleep.
Those people don't have any compassion.
Dada's here. Let's go. We just got home. It's 5 something. It's traffic. Bad traffic. Not really bad, but it's traffic. Hello, Roxas. Hi, guys. This one is a white one. Anyway, guys. What the heck is that? Oh. He's making noises. Anyway. What the heck is that? Naku. I'm hitting the humba and yeah, it's right here. Itong humba na to. Iniinit ko lang siya para kakain na kami. Cut lang ako. I'm gonna throw this vinaigrette. Tammy doesn't like vinaigrette. I don't like
I love vinaigrette. That's raspberry vinaigrette. It's oil and vinegar. That's what vinaigrette is. Oil vinegar.
raspberry. You don't. It doesn't say raspberry.
It's just regular vinaigrette. And it's regular oil and vinegar. That's fine. Why would you throw it out?
You said you don't like it. It's sweet.
No, hon. Oh, this is balsamic vinaigrette.
Yeah.
It's balsamic. It's used balsamic vinegar. It's okay.
Oh, you can do it individual. Don't pour it over there. The salad. Inod-nod ko yung talong, guys. Inod-nod ko yung talong sa bagoong. Right, Han? I'm nod-noding the talong to bagoong. Huh? That's not even what I say. Bagoong. Bagoong. I love you. I know. I know. Oh my god, I hope it doesn't blow up. He's changing the time. What? Why is it went off? Anong gusto mo? Dimpulot, huh? Dimpulot. She doesn't even touch you yet.
What's the matter with them? Your mama didn't take you upstairs. Come on now. Come on now.
Looking for the treats. I-charge ko lang tong cellphone ko kasi ano na siya, 5% lubat na talaga siya. I'm going to end this vlog early now, guys, kasi naloka ako, guys. Nag-ano kami ng matanda, guys, nagtubagan. Hindi naman sobrang yung nagsagutan ba? Hindi naman sobrang yung away talaga. Nagsagutan lang kami kasi sabi ni Tammy nung I think that was Friday. Tumawag siya sa akin, sabi niya, Han, maglagay ka ng flashlight kasi maraming flashlight extra si Tammy. Ilagay mo sa kwarto, ibabaw sa fireplace. So nilagay ko dun, guys. So ngayon, guys, nawala naman. Diba alam nyo, palaging nawawala ng gamit yan kasi dinadala saan-saan at tinatago. So sabi ko, andun yun, nilagay ko. Tom is asking me again. So, he's looking for it. So, I said, nilagay ko dun sa ibabaw ng ano. Sabi pa ni Tommy, wala dito. Sabi ko, ano ba? Ay, hindi ako ang nawala ng isip. Alam ko, nilagay ko dun. Sabi pa ng matanda. I'm sorry guys, I'm kind of really pissed right now. I don't see it there. I don't touch it. Guys, nagwara-wara guys, na ganun-ganun. Sus, ginuo ko ako guys, all ganun ko. Alam ko naman na nilagay ko dun. Huwag mo akong sabihan na ako ang nagsisinungaling. Eh nako, ikaw, sabi pa ko, ikaw yung palaging nawala ng mga gamit, tinatago mo kahit saan. Nawala na ako guys, kasi na ano na ba, napuno na ko ba? Ay nako, hindi naman na away talaga, away ka. Inalumbas, nagsabihan lang kami ba, nag ano ng mga salita, kasi sabi niya, ako daw ang ano, parang, hindi daw nakita, parang nag-ano na ako, parang anong tawag nito? Parang ako na daw yung napapaliw kasi nilagay ko daw doon, pero wala, hindi naman daw niya nakita at saka hindi naman daw niya ginamit. Dinala ron sa isang bahay guys. Dinala yun. See you guys tomorrow. Salamat. Andun sila sa baba, nanonood sila ng Matilda. Nanonood din ako kaso I have to wash my face. Yung pimples ko dito sobrang sakit. Kita niya. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. Good night. See you bukas, guys. Salamat sa panonood, guys. I really appreciate it. This one right here. You don't stop begging. You love your brother, huh? You do. You're lucky that your brother loves you. Roxy, no. That's red already. That's it. That's it. Do you want to sleep here too? Okay. Good night, Nina. Good night. Good night. Kung ang gandira ka mo, buot ka. Pero gusto ko yun. If you are watching,